Good day, everybody. How are you all? This is Dr. Nandi. Today we are going to talk about compound events. So I will share my screen with you. The sample space is the ordered pair of two whole numbers. The first one is from 1 to 3, and the second one is from 1 to 4. An example of an event in that space is 1 and 4. So the first number is 1, the second number is 4. So first question it asks is find the sample space S. Okay, so let's do the solution here. So the sample space A, this is part A. Okay, so it will consist of 1, 1. First number is 1, second number is 1, 1, 2. First number is 1, second number is 3, 1, 3, comma 1, comma 4. Okay, first number is 1, second number is 4. Then it can be first number is 2, second number is 1. Then 2, 2, first number is 1, second number is 2, comma, then 2, 3, comma, 2, 4. And then comma, first number is 1, first number is 3, 3, second number is 1, comma, first number is 3, second number is 2, comma, first number is 3, second number is 3, comma, first number is 3, second number is 4. And we will stop here because the first number is only from 1 to 3, and we have exhausted all the cases of the first number being 1. Okay, so total number of outcomes, in sample space is in capital S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Okay. So that's your sample space. Then says part B, let A be the event such that the sum is even, and let B be the event such that the second number is prime. Find A, B. So we have to define the sample space for A, B, and A and B. So event such that the sum is prime. Okay, such that the sum is even. Okay, so let's take the case sum of two numbers which are even. So 1 plus 1 is 2 is even. Okay, and then 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 is even. Then 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 is even. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 is even. Then next one is 3 plus 1 equal to 4 is even. Next one is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 is equal to even. So how many cases are there? Outcomes are, so these will be, so A consists of 1, 1, first number is 1, second number is 1, 1, 3, and then 2, 2, comma, 2, 4, comma, 3, 1, and comma, 3, 3. So that's your A. So number of outcomes in A, number of outcomes in A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now B is the event such that the second number is prime. Second number is prime. A prime number is a number that is only divisible by itself. So that will be 1, 1, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 3, comma, 1, 4 is not a prime number. 4 is an even number. 4 is divisible by itself and by 2. So next we go to first number is 2, second number is 1, first number is 2, second number is 2, because 2 is also a prime number. First number is 2, second number is 3. 2, 4, 4 is not a prime number. Then we go to the case where the first number is 3. So 3, 1 is a prime number, second number, then 3, 2, and then 3, 3. Because 3 is a prime number too. So total number of outcomes. So, or you can give this type of parenthesis. So let me clear that and write it again. It is 3, 3. And total number of events, total number of outcomes in B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. Now we have to do A and B. That is what is common between A and B. So A and B. We are looking for A and B. Okay, so what is common between A and B? 1, 1. Okay. Then we have 1, 1. Okay. Then 1, 3. Okay. Then we have 2, 2, both in A and B. Then we have, let's see, 3, 1, both in A and B. Okay. And then 3, 3. Okay. So this is total number of outcomes is 4. Is 4. Okay. So now we have been asked to find probability of A or B, okay, in part C. Okay. So let me create some space for myself by moving this up. Maybe reduce this a little bit. Okay. So A or B. And let me use the green pen. Okay. So is this dark enough? Maybe not. So find a dark color. What should I use? I can use this one. This one will be dark enough. Okay. So let's do this again. Part C. Okay. Part C. So part C is probability of A or B. A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and B. Now, probability of A, total number of outcomes in A is 6, and 6 out of total number of events in the sample space is 12. That's where the 12 is coming from, which is 0.5. Okay. Similarly, probability of B, total number of outcomes in space B is 9 out of, what is it? Number of outcomes of B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, is 9 out of 12, which is 3 out of 4, or 0.75. Okay. And then we will find out what is the probability of A and B. And total number of outcomes in A and B is 4. So it is 4 out of 12, or 1/3, or 0.33. Okay, I'll keep it to 2 place of decimal. We will move this a little bit up. So, okay. See if I can find a different pen color to write it. So maybe I'll do this one. Yeah. So now we are going to find out probability of A or B, which is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A and that is equal to probability of A is 0.5, probability of B is 0.75 minus 0.33, and that is equal to, so you'll use your calculator, 0.5 plus 0.75 minus 0.33, and that is equal to 0.92. So that's your answer for part C, 0.992. Okay. Next one, it says find P of A prime. Okay. So this should be A or B. Okay, we did. No, it says find P of A prime. So part D, find P of A prime. And that is equal to 1 minus P of A. Now we know probability of A is 0.5. So 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. So here we use the law of complements. That is, probability of a complement event A of A is equal to 1 minus probability of A. Probability of A is 0.5. So 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.5. Okay. And let's move it again further up. Says part D, and it should be, next one should be part E. So let me get that pen back. Part E says, part E, probability of A plus probability of A prime. And we know it should be 1, right? 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1.0. Okay. Now we will change the color again. Make it a, what color I can make? Let's go back to, yeah, black. Okay. And yes. So the last part is find probability of A given B. So part D, it should be part F. probability of A given B. That means B has occurred first and then A has occurred. So this is A and B divided by probability of B, and that is equal to A and B. Probability of A and B we calculated is 0.33, and probability of B itself is 0.75. So it is 0.33 divided by 75, 0.75, which is equal to 0.44. So this is 0.44. Okay. And putting some more space. Next is asked for is uh, find probability of B given A. So that is probability of B and A divided by probability of A. Okay. Now B and A is same as probability of A and B, joint event. So probability of A. So probability of A and B we already found out is 0. We did this one now. I'll fix it. Is A and B. We found out A and B is 0.33. Actually, this is correct. A and B is 0.33, out of which probability of A itself is 0.5. So probability of B and A is same as probability of A and B, which is 0.33 because it's 4 out of 12. So 0.33 divided by probability of A, which is 0.5. So this is 0.33 divided by 0.5. And that is equal to 0.66. So as we find out, probability of A given B is not the same as probability of B given A. Okay, so this is the conclusion. Now, before I go away, I have to make a small change. So, in the way we have written this problem. So CD, then it will be these. I have to correct. So let me get my eraser, and this will be part E. This will be part E. This will be part F. That's the only change I'll make. Go to a right pen. Okay. So part E, which we did, is find probability of A plus A prime, which would be 1. And the last part is part F, find probability of A given B and then probability of B given A. Are these two probabilities equal? Answer is no. Okay, as we saw. Okay, so I will move up and you can see that probability of A given B is not the same as probability of B given A. Why? Because probability of A is not equal to probability of B. Probability of A is 0.5, whereas probability of B is 0.75. That's why probability of A given B is not the same as probability of B given A. Now, I want to make one thing clear. The conditional probability A given B means first B has occurred, then A occurred. That means first B occurs, after that A occurs. Actually, what we find out is probability of A and B divided by probability of B, or in other words, what part of the event in B is A. Okay, so what part of the total number of count in B is A. That's what we are finding out. So what fraction of B is A? That's what we are finding out by the formula. So I'll stop here today. If you have any question, comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And also, if you like this video, please let your friends know about it so that you and your friends can subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I'll stop here today. Thanks for watching. I'll come back next time with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Take care. Have a nice day. See you next time.